Creating a campaign in AWeber allows you to automate email marketing and engage your subscribers with targeted content. Here's how to create a campaign. Log into AWeber. Visit AWeber and log into your account. Navigate to Campaigns. In the main dashboard, click on Campaigns in the left sidebar. This will bring you to the Campaign section. Create a new campaign. Click Create a campaign to start a new campaign. Give your campaign a name to easily identify it later. Choose a trigger. A campaign begins when a specific trigger occurs, like a new subscriber joining your list or a user clicking on a link. Select your trigger event from options such as Subscriber joins list, sends emails when someone subscribes to your email list. Tag added, sends emails when a tag is added to a contact. Build your email sequence. Click Add Message to design the first email in your campaign. Use the drag and drop editor or a template to create engaging content for each email. Set the timing for each message. Activate the campaign. After setting up your emails, click Activate to start sending your automated campaign.